Now, students, we see IT in the government and public service. So, how IT is helpful in government and public services, how it is provided, which application we are using for the public services. So, today all the government is also organized and provide the facility to the pupils with help of the IT application. So now let's see its definition. The government uses large scale of computer application in its daily operation and is actively encouraging e-governance practices. Digital India and e-governance initiative of Government of India are best example of this. Government and non-governmental organization like NGOs, these are the non-government organizations, as well as international government agency use ICT application to communicate and provide various services to the pupil and is called as e-governance. So these all are comes under e-governance, which facility you get with help of the digital and with the help of the website. So that is comes under the e-governance. So there are various official web portal of the Government of India for the e-governance. There are various advantages of e-governance. So the income tax department, sales tax department, preparations of voter list, preparations of PAN cards makes use of the computer system. Many government services are available online. Electricity bills can now be paid online. The government uses electronic voting for electronics by replacing the traditional voting slip and the ballot box. People can enroll themselves in the electoral roll through the state elections commission portal, and computer are common place in modern society and tends to make provisional, laborious, manual task of the of data entry much simpler and quicker. So this is very easy and very helpful us for with IT application. So now students, you note down the definitions of the e-governance. So you will use the government use large scales of computer applications and e-governance practices. Digital India and e-governance initiative government are the best example of the e-governance. So which type of the income tax department, preparations of voter list, and these. So such definitions you can note down for IT in government and public services. Okay, students. Now the next is which exercise you will practice. So see here. So this is the practical exercise. So you this first unit has been completed and you do this practical exercise. What you should know with this unit, you should know explore the impact of IT and ITs in various area in day-to-day life. So where it is used in day-to-day life, you know the example. Visit Indian government website. You visit any Indian government website such as the official web portal of Department of School. HRD means CBSC. So you can also go to the CBSC website and make a list of all valuable information and the services you could obtain yourself. So from the CBSC portal, which type of service you get and how it is useful for you. So you make a list. Make a list of e-government services that are provided by the other country. Means you also make a list which type of services provided by the other country with help of IT application. Visit the various website and list the area where ICT is used and identify the advantages of using ICT over conventional method and various areas. So that such type of question I will ask into the exam. So you should know this and you can write about it. And you can also check your progress with help of these exercise. So give an example of the use of IT in the following area. Avoid already discussed example. Clear? Classroom content transaction, assessment of students, library management, students record management. So which type of application we are using in for such type of work? So you write the examples only. These are the short questions. What do you understand by the terms of IT? What are the pro and cons of using ICT? What precautions are required to ensure that the ICT use in safe? What are the four main subsectors of IT? BPM we already learned. Give example of use of IT in everyday life. How use IT in library. So these all are the examples. These all are the questions, short questions. So according to these short questions, you also prepare your notebook and complete it the writing part also. So now we will going to start the data entry and keyboard skill. This is our unit second.